Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you DraftKings how to withdraw. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your sportsbook app, and then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account here, you'll be seeing this kind of home screen. Now on the top right corner of this top left corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing your profile information. Now among the options, you'll be getting these two options, that is withdraw and deposit. Now in order to withdraw, simply tap on withdraw, and once you tap on withdraw, here you'll be sent to this page on asking how much do you want to withdraw. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on this box and enter in the amount, and then tap on continue. And once you do that, here you'll be sent to the withdraw page. Now you'll be given the options to receive your funds through PayPal, which will take 3 to 5 days, or through a check, which will take 7 to 14 days, or online banking, which will take 1 to 3 days. So select your option which you want on how you want to receive your funds, and once you do that, simply tap on request to withdraw, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching.